Successful trials highlight the feasibility of BVLOS medical delivery. UAVOS has recently demonstrated its ability to conduct healthcare-related drone delivery services using its UVH-170 unmanned helicopter. The trials showcased the drone's capability to carry a 10 kilograms external payload, marking a significant step towards proving the feasibility and impact of beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) medical deliveries. This advancement promises to enhance the speed, connectivity, and safety of supplying remote and hard-to-reach areas with essential medical supplies. The UVH-170 unmanned helicopter completed a mission by transporting a 10 kilograms payload of medical samples over a distance of 35 kilometers in just 30 minutes. The helicopter utilized UAVOS payload drop system, which includes a sling and a hook, to carry out the delivery. This system allowed the drone to hover at a lowered altitude of 20 meters, carefully release the payload on the ground, and return to its point of origin. The UVH-170 UAS boasts a lifting capability of 15 kilograms, a travel range of 350 kilometers, and an operating speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The payload box can carry approximately 0.018 cubic meters of cargo. UAVOS has also demonstrated the drone's ability to transport temperature-controlled medical supplies, further expanding its potential applications in healthcare.
We're pleased to see the UVH-170 operating successfully and repeatedly on target. Its safe functionality, such as the integrated parachute system, unlocks potential future use cases that are currently challenging to address due to regulations, such as flying over people and making urban deliveries, said Alexei Stratsolitow, CEO of UAVOS.
These demonstrations underscore UAVO's commitment to leveraging advanced unmanned systems to meet the needs of various industries, including healthcare. By successfully completing these trials, UAVOS is paving the way for more efficient and reliable delivery methods that can reach even the most inaccessible locations. For more information and to see the UVH-170 UAS in action, visit Watch the UVH-170 UAS in action.